Here we are going to discuss the recipe and process of dyeing cotton fabric, light or medium shade with cold brand reactive dyes, as done in factories. Welcome to Textile Bites, where it's all about textile. Before starting the dyeing process, we need to do pre-treatment of the grey fabric. That is, we need to do scouring and bleaching, neutralization, enzyme wash, and then demineralization or rinsing. I have given a link in the description below on how to do scouring, bleaching, neutralization, enzyme wash, and then demineralization or rinsing of cotton fabric. Once the above process is completed, then the fabric is ready for dyeing. The pre-treated fabric will go through the process of dyeing, neutralization, hot wash and softening. Here I will show the recipe and dyeing process of light shade using cold brand reactive dyes. This recipe can be also used to dye medium shade. To dye the cotton fabric light shade with cold brand reactive dyes, we will need the following recipe. Liquor ratio 1:8. Leveling agent 0.5 gram per liter. Anti-creasing agent 0.2 gram per liter. Anti-foaming agent 0.1 gram per liter. Sequestering agent 0.5 gram per liter. Yellow dyes 0.0035% of the weight of fabric. Red dyes 0.0005% of the weight of fabric. Blue dyes 0.0002% of the weight of fabric. Glauber salt 20 gram per liter. Soda ash 10 gram per liter. For neutralization and hot wash, the recipe will be: liquor ratio 1:8. Acetic acid 1 gram per liter. Detergent 0.5 gram per liter. For softening, the recipe will be: liquor ratio 1:8. Acetic acid 0.1 gram per liter. Softener 3 gram per liter. After finishing the pre-treatment and neutralization process, the required amount of water will be added and then checked so that pH is 6.5 to 7. Then leveling agent, sequestering agent, anti-foaming agent and anti-creasing agent will be added, and the temperature will be raised to 60 degrees Celsius at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per minute. The fabric will be treated for 10 minutes. Then the dyes will be added. It will be added by linear dosing for 40 minutes. After all the dyes has been added, the fabric will be treated at 60 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then the Glauber salt will be added. First 1/3 of Glauber salt will be added by linear dosing for 10 minutes. Once finished, then fabric will be treated for 5 minutes. Then the rest 2/3 of the salt will be added by linear dosing for 15 minutes. After all the Glauber salt has been added, the fabric will be treated at 60 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then the soda ash will be added. First 1/4 of soda ash will be added by linear dosing for 25 minutes. Then the fabric will be treated for 5 minutes. After that, the rest 3/4 soda ash will be added by linear dosing for 30 minutes. After all the soda ash has been added, the fabric will be treated at 60 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then a sample fabric will be cut and shade will be checked. If shade not okay, then dyeing process will continue. The sample will be taken at regular intervals to check shade. When the shade is okay, then dyeing will be stopped and the water will be dropped. Then fresh water will be added and temperature will be raised to 60 degrees Celsius at rate of 2 degrees Celsius per minute. Then the fabric will be rinsed at 60 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After that, water will be dropped. The fresh water will be added and then acetic acid will be added for neutralization. Then the temperature will be raised to 60 degrees Celsius at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per minute. Then the fabric will be treated at 60 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After that, the water will be dropped. After that, water will be added and then detergent will be added. Then the temperature will be raised to 70 degrees Celsius at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per minute. At 70 degrees Celsius, the fabric will be hot washed for 15 minutes. Then water will be dropped. Then fresh water will be added and temperature will be raised to 60 degrees Celsius at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per minute. The fabric will be rinsed at 60 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After that, water will be dropped. Then fresh water is added, and then softener and acetic acid is added. Then the temperature will be raised to 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per minute. Then the fabric will be treated for 15 minutes. Then the water will be dropped and fabric will be unloaded. The dyeing process is finished here, and after this, the fabric will be sent to finishing department. This is how we dye cotton fabric light or medium shade using cold brand reactive dyes. Thank you for watching this video. To get detailed notes, please visit www.textilebytes.com. Link is given in the description below. Please comment what other textile related tutorial videos you like to watch, and also please comment if you want to discuss anything related to this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe and give a like on this video. To get a continuous notifications, please turn on the notification icon. Meanwhile, please check out other videos in Textile Bytes. See you all in the next one.